Hello everyone, my name is Diane and I work with the Belleville Public Library and Information Services. Today in our adult craft, I'm going to show you how to do a photo transfer onto a wooden coaster like this. In your craft kit, you will receive instructions on how to make the craft, instructions on how to resize the photo that you need to print for the craft. We've included templates if you choose to use these. We're providing you with the wooden coaster and Mod Podge that comes in a pot like this. Items that you'll need from home are a brush. You can use a foam brush or a paint brush. Some kind of a roller if you have one. If you don't have a roller, you can use an old gift card or old credit card in order to smooth the picture onto the coaster. You'll need a picture. You can choose the picture you want to use. You can use the templates we've included, or you can find a nice picture with your father, your uncle, your son, your brother, whatever father it is that you want to honor. In your package, there's instructions included on how to resize a photo. You would do this on your computer, and it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to go through the process so that you have a photo the correct size to put on the coaster. You will need an old face cloth for the second step, and you need to print your picture from home. You can use pictures that are on just regular printer paper that you would have in your printer from home. Once you've printed your picture, you're going to want to cut it to size it to the coaster. Coat your brush with Mod Podge and apply it to the front of the picture. Now you take the picture and you place it on the coaster, like so. Face down on top of the coaster. And then this is where you roll it to smooth out any bumps or lines. You can also run your fingers across it just to smooth out any irregularities you feel in that picture. You'll see the bubbles as it starts to dry, and you can just keep smoothing it out. And then you leave it overnight to dry. Take your wet face cloth and place it on the picture to wet the backing. Take the end of your face cloth and gently remove the white backing. Gently wipe away the excess paper that's remaining on the coaster. Finally, I have my picture. with all the white backing taken off. And now I'm going to apply the Mod Podge. Let the Mod Podge dry. And here we have the final product. As you can see, 2 have been stained and 2 have been left unfinished. And you can decide what works best for you, what kind of finish you like, in order to create this for yourself or as a gift for Father's Day.